Imagine spending over $100,000 on a luxury SUV, only to get hit with a repair bill that costs more than some used cars. Pause. Some Range Rover owners absolutely love their vehicles. Others say owning one was the most expensive automotive mistake they've ever made. So what's the truth? Why does one of the world's most luxurious SUVs have such a controversial reliability reputation? And are modern Range Rovers finally getting better? Stay until the end because I'll reveal the type of Range Rover that many experts consider the safest purchase. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying a Range Rover, or you're just curious why these luxury SUVs create so much debate, you're in the right place. Before making this video, I spent months researching Range Rover ownership stories, repair costs, reliability reports, and real owner experiences. I read owner forums, industry studies, mechanic insights, and reliability data so you don't have to. And what I found was surprising. Some owners say their Range Rover has been one of the best vehicles they've ever owned. Others say it became one of their most expensive mistakes. So today, we're separating myths from reality to find out what owning a Range Rover is really like. This isn't a Range Rover hate video. The goal today is simple: to help you make a smarter buying decision based on facts, not internet rumors. We'll cover the truth behind Range Rover reliability, common problems owners report, real repair costs, how Range Rover compares to competitors, whether newer models are improving, and the safest Range Rover buying strategy. Let's get started. Section 1: Why people love Range Rovers. Before we talk about reliability, let's answer one important question. Why do people keep buying Range Rovers despite all the warnings? The answer is simple. Few vehicles combine luxury, comfort, prestige, and capability the way a Range Rover does. You get premium materials, exceptional ride quality, advanced technology, strong performance, real off-road capability. Many owners describe the experience as driving a luxury hotel suite on wheels. Pause. A Range Rover feels special. And that's exactly why people continue to buy them. But luxury comes with complexity. And complexity often creates problems. Section 2: The reliability reputation. Let's talk about the reputation. Because it didn't appear out of nowhere. According to J.D. Power, the 2024 Range Rover earned an 80 out of 100 quality and reliability score. That falls into the average category rather than class-leading reliability. Consumer Reports owner surveys have also highlighted electrical systems and power equipment as recurring concerns among some owners. That doesn't mean every Range Rover is unreliable. Far from it. Many owners have positive experiences. But when you combine owner feedback, mechanic reports, repair databases, and reliability studies, a pattern begins to appear. Most complaints aren't about luxury. Most complaints aren't about performance. They're about long-term ownership costs and unexpected repairs. Common issues reported by owners include air suspension failures, electrical system problems, infotainment glitches, cooling system issues, sensor failures, battery-related problems. Pause. The vehicle often remains drivable. But repeated repairs can become frustrating and expensive. And that's what gives Range Rover its controversial reputation. Section 3: The real cost of repairs. This is where many buyers get shocked. The purchase price is only the beginning. Let's look at some real-world examples. A failed air suspension repair can cost anywhere from $1,500 to more than $5,000 depending on the model and severity. A water pump replacement may cost between $800 and $1,500. Electrical system repairs can range from a few $100s to several thousand. And major engine-related repairs can easily exceed $5,000. Pause. That's why many experienced owners say, the vehicle isn't expensive to buy. It's expensive to maintain. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is purchasing a used Range Rover because it looks like a bargain. The purchase price may be lower. The repair bills usually aren't. Luxury repair costs remain luxury repair costs. And that's something many first-time buyers learn the hard way. Section 4. A realistic owner story. Here's a story that's been repeated across owner forums for years. Someone finds a used Range Rover at what seems like a fantastic price. The vehicle looks incredible. The interior feels premium. The test drive is amazing. Everything seems perfect. Pause. Then ownership begins. A warning light appears. A repair bill follows. Then another issue appears. Then another. Before long, the owner realizes the purchase price was only part of the story. Now, not every owner has this experience. Some owners drive their Range Rovers for years with minimal problems. But stories like this explain why reliability remains such a major topic whenever Range Rover is discussed. Quick question. Would you buy a Range Rover knowing the potential repair costs? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe. We cover honest ownership costs, reliability reports, and automotive insights every week. Now let's compare Range Rover to its biggest rivals. Section 5. How does Range Rover compare? If reliability is your top priority, you're probably looking at alternatives too. Popular competitors include Lexus GX, BMW X5, Mercedes-Benz GLE. The Lexus GX has built a strong reputation for long-term dependability. The BMW X5 focuses heavily on performance and driving dynamics. The Mercedes-Benz GLE offers luxury and advanced technology. Range Rover, however, offers a unique combination of luxury, prestige, comfort, and off-road capability. Pause. That's why many buyers still choose it. But when people rank long-term reliability, competitors often score better. That's the trade-off. Range Rover may deliver a more special ownership experience. Its competitors often deliver more peace of mind. Section 6. Are newer Range Rovers better? Now let's answer one of the biggest questions. Are newer Range Rovers more reliable? The answer is yes, to a point. Land Rover has invested heavily in quality improvements over the years. Many newer owners report better experiences than buyers from a decade ago. However, modern vehicles are also more complex than ever. They contain dozens of computers controlling everything from suspension settings to climate functions. And more technology means more potential failure points. Many experts recommend buying newer models with warranty coverage, or considering a lease if you want maximum protection from unexpected repair costs. That's also why many experienced buyers avoid older high-mileage examples. Conclusion. So what's the truth about Range Rover reliability? It's not as simple as saying they're unreliable. And it's not accurate to say they're perfect. Range Rovers offer exceptional luxury, comfort, capability, and road presence. But they also carry higher ownership risks than many competitors. If reliability is your number one priority, there are safer choices. If luxury and driving experience matter most, a Range Rover may still be worth it. Range Rover ownership can be incredible, or incredibly expensive. The difference usually comes down to buying the right vehicle, understanding the risks, and planning for the real cost of ownership. Ignore those factors, and your dream SUV can quickly become a financial nightmare. Understand them, and you might end up driving one of the most luxurious SUVs on the road. Pause. The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And tell me in the comments, would you buy a Range Rover? Or would you choose one of its competitors?